how to make flashlight in Roblox Studio. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So first of all, you need to create the flashlight model, like insert a part or mesh part in your game, and this will be the visual representation of flashlight, and then customize the appearance like size, color or material wise of the part as desired, and consider using a mesh for more detailed flashlight designs. And then you have to add a light source, like insert a point light or spotlight inside the flashlight part, and for point light, emits light in all directions, good for general illumination, and emits light in a cone shape for more realistic for a flashlight, and adjust the light's properties like brightness, range, color, etc. to achieve the desired effect. And for spotlight, also adjust the angle and phase properties to control the beam. And then you have to create a script. Insert a local script into the flashlight tool, localize the tool and the light source and the players, and basic toggle functions like use user input service to detect input like F key, toggle the lights enabled property on or off when the input is received. And then you have to look for some advanced features like battery system, create a variable to track battery level, implement a system to drain the battery over time, disable the light when the battery reaches zero. And the realistic movement should be used twin service or LARP to smoothly move the flashlight to the player's mouse position, and use the camera C frame for a more realistic effect, and consider using render steps to update the flashlight's position every frame. And for server side lighting, implement server side logic to handle the flashlight's behavior on the server and ensure that the lighting is consistent for all players. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.